Yeah, alright guys, as promised. It's been what? A while since I've been over here? I think, I don't know. You guys, N744-05. If I heard right.
N744-05 Loaded CSX N744-05 eastbound stop double B N745.
Alright,
Oh, hang on.
CSX, BC slash Jackson Landscaper.
Number 2. Hey, Joe, D790.
D790-09, go over.
Yeah, ready to give you departure.
Alright, go ahead. What do you have, over?
That's Digits Crampton call for 0430, bulletin number 64552.
CSX, BC slash Jackson Landscaper.
On the lead, 1800. Hey, Joe, D790. 2361.
D790-09, go over.
And 2795. Ready to give you departure. 15 loads, 7 empties,
Alright, go ahead. What do you have, over?
22 tons. That's Digits Crampton call for 0430, bulletin number 64552. No TO, works on Chando. Engine 6961 the lead.
Alright, which way are you coming out, over?
I'd like to get out 2361 if we could after the coal train gets back. 2795.
Alright, 20 to 2. Signal location, over.
7 empties, 2,022 tons. 1428 left.
Are you too? CSX, BC slash Jackson.
No TO or works on Chando.
Alright, which way are you coming out, over?
I'd like to get out 20 to 2 if we could after this coal train gets by.
Alright, 20 to 2. Signal location, over.
Thanks a lot. You have a great day. 790 up.
Are you too? CSX, BC slash Jackson.
alright, I was gonna say I got the N740 that's passed. D790 as you heard coming out. And if I heard right too, like a 21606 coming, if I heard correctly. We also, if I understand correctly, I think if, the big if I heard the dispatcher by Baltimore, for the Baltimore division, that they're pulling Q371 by the old tower by St. Dennis.
CSX D790-09, engine 6961, medium clear, South WB, west 20 to 2
And stop them at the old tower, and they would take a ride to Cumberland. That's if I understand correctly. Alright, see you guys in the next one.